June 21, 2018. Looks like it's going to be a decent day today. We got a lot of downside movers and a few upside movers. So things are looking good today, I think. And we'll see if we can get anything. I'm going to take a short here on PCRX at the ask if it gives it to me. It's kind of early, but I think this one has potential here. Let's take a look at LMNR. This one looks good too. I'm going to try to take this one at the ask here if it gives it to me. Oh, PCRX just dropped. Let's take a look at it. Look at that. Boom. Just missed that one. It's alright. We'll revisit later. Oh, we're in one. What are we in? Oh, we're in LMNR. Let's take a look at LMNR. We're in at 2450. Only 100 shares. Daily is kind of strong. Yeah, it's pretty strong. But it gaps down today. And it's not really being bought up. It's kind of sitting there. So it is still early. But I think this one has potential to turn around, go below 24 and just shoot down. Pre-market it was at 22.50. So it's coming down. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's probably going to be a quick trade. Only 100 shares, so I'm going to cancel this out here. And if it does move up, I'll pick up another 50 later on. Or none at all. We'll see. We'll see how the trade plays out. Let's take a look at AOBC. I'm going to take a short here at the ask if it gives it to me. AOBC. Market is undecided yet. You know what? I'm going to cancel this. Don't like that. Let's take a look at LMNR. I'm going to take this here at the 10 if it gives it to me. Yeah, let's see if it gives it to me. Alright, we're out. Only 100 shares. So I took about 40 cents on that one. Quick little ride. Wish I would have. Oh, look at that thing. Now it drops. But the spread's big. So I'll take 40 cents on first opening trade. AOBC, I'm going to take this at the ask here. If it gives it to us on a squeeze from the bottom. You know what? I'm going to bring that up just a little bit more. Yeah, I'll bring that up to the highs here. Put it at 1240. So, you know what? I'm going to take this one right here if it gives it to me instead. I think I like it right there. If it hits it, it's not going to hit it. Oh man, it's going to go down. I missed that one. Look at that. Coming right back down. It's alright. We'll cancel that. KR. Thinking about taking here at the 25. You know what? No, I'm not going to do it. MU. I think I might take this down here at the 38. Let's take this right here. Alright, we're in. We're in at 60.29. Daily looks okay. Daily's been strong, you know, a little choppy up around here. But, oh, it's working out. Let's see what we can do here. Intraday gaps up. We had earnings yesterday. The earnings were good, I think, and it shot up a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. And it opens up today, gapped up, and we have a little sell-off. And it's right over at the 9 and picking it up there. See what happens. You know what? I'm probably going to take this right here. Yeah, I'm out right there for 20 cents. Yeah, the market's going down. See that? It's just coming down. So it's better off to come out with a 20-cent gain there and revisit. Because I think because the market's still coming down, we might be able to get this a little cheaper again. But look, now it's moving up. MU, it's coming down now. We might pick it up again one more time. below the 60. Here it comes. Probably going to pick this up right around. Pick this up right around here. Okay, we're in. We're in at 59.88. Just looking for a quick pullback from the lows here. Stock is strong, so it should move up a little bit. Take 20 cents if I can. 20 to 30 cents would be ideal. But it is downtrending. Market is down, so we got that fighting us. So, but the stock is up for today. MU, second trade on it. Got in it at 59.88 on this sell-off here. It's following the market. So I think as soon as the market starts to shoot up, it should go back up. But now I'm getting worried. Stop should be somewhere below, I don't know, 59 to be on the safe side. But if you want to get out really quick for a smaller loss, yeah, right around the 40, 59.40. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's starting to work out. Probably going to take it soon. I just don't like the way things are trading today. Yeah, I'm going to take this right here if it gives it to me. Just a little bit more. I'm going to take this. I don't like this. I'll just take that for a quick 15 cents there. I don't like the way the market's coming down. AOBC, I'm going to take it here at the 62 if it can give it to me. We're almost in. And we're in. We're in for 1262. Daily is kind of strong. It's been strong. You know, every wave up has a little sell-off. Every wave up has a little sell-off. Well, now it's up at 200. Yesterday it went all the way up to 15, I believe, and then it shot back down. Earnings, I think, or something. Anyways, right now it's coming down. Let's take a look at this thing. Up close. All right, we're in at 62. I'd like to get this one below 1240 for a quick little run. I'll take that. Around the 40 area, if it gives it to us. If not, stop should be, gee, I don't know, over 13 somewhere. But for a little stock, a little price stock, it moves. It's got a decent spread. Intraday it gaps down and then sells off the first 2 minutes. Then squeezes second minute and starts to get picked up. Now it's over the 9, well over the 9. Market's still going down and it hasn't been listening to the market. So I think now would be the time for it to listen to the market. But it is a fairly strong stock. You know, it has been. But it's got resistance here hitting the 200. So I'm hoping this thing will just turn around and go right down. AOBC, I'd like to see it below 50, but if it doesn't go soon and the market starts to pick up, I'm going to get out of this one. Because it is uptrending. And it should have turned right here, and it didn't. You know what, I'm going to take this one right here. This thing's starting to give me a headache here. Come on. I'm out. Out at 52 for about 10 cents. I just don't like it. I'd rather just take that there. See how it's almost like starting to do a flag. Well, if the market wakes up here, this thing's going to shoot up, blast through this area here, hit all the stops, and squeeze this sucker up. Now, if it goes down, well, I missed a good trade. But I'd rather take this small gain than risk losing. KR, I'm going to take this here at the bid, if it gives it to us, for a long. We're in. Just got in KR for 28.60. Day looks good. Looks good for a long. It's been slowly moving up for the past few months. Choppy, but up. Uptrending slowly. And today, I think it was earnings or something, it blasted off. Intraday, it gapped up. Had a a good amount of buying pressure at the open and shot it up here, and then it stayed up there. It just stayed. It almost looked like it was about to blast off again, but it didn't. Sells off a little bit, comes below the 9, a little bit more down, right to where all that buying pressure was. So I'm thinking we're going to get a lot of buyers coming in here. But two things against us. One, the market. Market's going down. And the size of the gap. So there might be a lot more sellers getting out of their positions. But I think because of this nice big green candle and all this continuation here, there's some buyers here waiting. And as soon as it starts to go up, they're gonna start buying it because they don't want to miss the cheap price. The cheaper price, because it'll probably go up to 29.50 again and blast off, because look at the size of that candle. You know, there's buyers in this, right? So my target's gonna be, I don't know, 30 to 50 cents on it. So anywhere over 28.75. Stop should be below the lows here. 28.10, around there. But I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. You know, market's been downtrending so far. So as soon as we get some buyers in the market, you know, then this thing should go up, I think. We'll see. But the market's still shooting down. I should be shorting, but I don't see any good looking shorts. KR, let's take a look at this thing up close. It's starting to work out here. I'd like to take it somewhere over 28.90 for about 30 cents if possible. I think this one has potential to go quite high, but the market, again, look, it's just there. And if it doesn't wake up soon, I'm gonna get out of this thing for a small win or a small loss. But I really think this one has potential to go up past 29. If I have patience, I think this thing can go up past 29 and take off. But the market, look at that. It's looking for buyers and it just keeps dropping. I might come out of this KR for a tiny, tiny win here if this market doesn't wake up. Yeah, I might come out of this KR if this market doesn't wake up. I'm gonna come out of it right here. Yeah, I'm out. I don't like the way this market's acting. Oh, and I get out and it gets up. Starts to move. That stinks. I should have waited. But look at the market, man. It's just flushing right now. And when the market starts doing that, some days it just goes down the whole day. Has a little stop, couple of waves down, makes you think it's going to go up, and then it continues down. I'm better off taking that trade off and reassess the market later. MU, I'm going to take this right here. If it gives it to me at the bid, and we're in at 59.25. Third trade on it. I think it's gonna find some buyers down here at yesterday's close, whole number, and turn right up. But look at the market. The market's going down. It's still going down. But I think it's going to reverse down here soon enough. I think soon enough this will reverse and it'll shoot right up. I should have waited just a little longer to see if this sell-off in the market is going to turn around. But usually when it does this, a nice big fat red candle like that, after another good sized candle, after a few more smaller sized red candles, it turns around. Here comes MU. We're in at 25. If I can get 20-30 cents off of it, I'll be happy on a down market like this, going long. But the stock is strong. That's why I'm taking it long. It's strong and it's going to find buyers. And here we go. Let's see what we can come off of this one around the 50 area. We'll wait and see what it does. Stop should be, you know, below 59, 50, 58.80. That's just stop around there. You know, I'm going to hold off a little bit because since the market's still going down, market is still going down, and it needs to turn around if the stock's going to go up. If the SPY doesn't turn around soon, I have to get out. But it should turn around. I mean, unless there's some big news that we don't know about. MU, I'm going to take it here at the 44 if it gives it to us. Oh, we're out. We're out for about 15 cents. I just don't trust the market right now. It's probably going to go up even more. As you can see now, it's going up. But market's making me a little nervous the way it's going down there. So I'm going to take my 15 cents and run. Oh, and it's still going up. Look at that. We got another 10 cents. MU, we got out of this one around the 44 because of the market. And look, has not stopped. Look at all that I left behind. And it's still going up. Now, look at that. Almost a full point I would have got on that one. If I would have just been patient. Even half of that, or even a quarter of that. Instead, you know what I got? I got 15 cents. That's all I got on that one. And look at the market. It's starting to turn around. So probably some longs now. I'm thinking about getting back in KR. I'm going to take KR at the bid here if it gives it to me. And we're in. Second trade on it. I just like the way it held up here. When the market was going down, it held up nice. It held up really nice. I got out of it because the market was going down. But it never went down with the market. Never went down with the market. So the market was waking up, so I was like, all right, I'm going to jump in this. Now it's starting to turn around again. Now it's a dangerous area right there, because if this red candle goes below this red candle, then it's tough there. But it's starting to work out here. Let's take a look at the trade here. We got about 10 cents on it already. I like to see it above 29, and then I'm going to take it. I'm actually going to put 29 right here and just take it up there, and it should hit us fairly soon. Let's take a look at this. Here it comes. Just looking for a little bit. Here it comes. Should blast right through 29. Just a little bit more. Here we go. Being sold up there. Oh, okay, we're out. And there it goes. Only for about 15 cents or so. So I'll take that. 15, 16, so about 16, 17 cents on that one. And it's still going. That's all right. Look at the market. Just turned around. Just like I said earlier, as soon as it goes below this red candle, it was going to bust through and go down. And that's what it did there. So it's best to just come out. MU. I'm going to take one more long on MU right here at 59. Oh, 59.37. Got in it? Yeah, 59.37. And I'm thinking the market's going to turn around eventually. I think once it goes below 274, it's going to find some buyers there, and it's going to turn around. MU, same thing. It'll probably go down to 59 and turn around and just shoot right back up. Look at that. That was a nice squeeze. So people want to buy this, but the market is telling them not to, so they're getting out. So as soon as the market turns around, I believe right below 274, we should see this one shoot right back up. Stop should be again below yesterday's close, around there, 58.80. It's coming our way. I'm just looking for a little bit, looking to add to the P&L. That's it. We're in at 37, so if I can get 20, 30 cents, I'll take that. I'm going to take it right here. If it gives it to us, right there at the 58. Just a couple more. All right. 20 cents right out. Just because of the market, it's still going down. But look, now it's squeezing up a little bit there. Could have got a couple more cents. Oh, look at that. Oh, I missed that. But that's all right. Got another 20 cents on it. Take that. I think that was third trade on it. Third or fourth trade on MU. So that's going to be my last trade. I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. We're up 182. Let's take a look at the trades. All winners. All very small winners. And the biggest winner on LMNR. And that's it. Thanks for watching.